Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, looky what we got here. We got a little present, a little box, a little special something from a special somebody. And we're gonna crack this baby open, see what's inside. So, I really, I know what's in here, but I'm gonna hold the suspense and let you guys wait it out. This is an unboxing. This is an unboxing for a new affiliate that we are working with here at Happiness Bar. I'm excited because we are now working with Crew Barware. So, they sent me a little care package here, a little something to mess with. I found these guys on Instagram. What they are doing is really cool, really phenomenal, really makes the home bartending scene super easy for all you want to create cocktails at home. And they sent me some little gifts here, a little package, a little something to play with, and we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see what it's all about. Again, I've been seeing some great videos online. It's really exciting. So basically, yeah, us here at Happiness Bar now, we're an affiliate with Crew. So you may see some of their products and things pop up in some episodes. Really, the creme de la creme, the thing that I am super excited about is their pretty infusion bottle. Right, this thing, man, the way it's made is super cool, and it really kind of just jumped out to me when I saw it online. So I wanted to give it a shot because we're always infusing things here. We're always infusing all sorts of liquor and other things here at Happiness Bar. So yeah, we're gonna jump in and do a little infusion with this product and see what's going on. So what they sent me is their cool infusion bottle, man. This thing is awesome. It's glass. You got the nice cork on top, and what I love about this thing is that the bottom of this bottle just unscrews, right? Pull this stuff out. That way you can infuse everything super easy right in the bottle, throw it back together, and let your infusion come together, right? They also did me the courtesy. They sent me some of their infusion mixes. Now I know usually we're always doing everything from scratch here at Happiness Bar, and I will continue to do that. I will continue to do everything from scratch, but since they sent me this little cool thing, I'm gonna give it a shot and see what it's all about anyway for this little bonus episode. They also got some, nice little pour spouts going on. Anyway, here we are. We got our 750 bottle. What I love about this one, they have two different types, I think. One without this, but I love the milliliters right on the bottle because I don't have to worry about grabbing a measuring cup, doing nothing, right? And what they sent me is their spicy margarita infusion here. Now, they had some other flavors and other things going on. They had some old-fashioned ones and other things, but I thought, hey, the spicy margarita, we're getting into springtime here. It's a little bonus episode, right? So I'm just gonna throw this out during the week. So I'm gonna do a spicy mezcal margarita with it, right? So I got my mezcal here, and I'm just gonna follow their instructions exactly and see what their infusion is all about. All right, so let's see. Oh, sick. Little coasters, little Crew coasters with the recipe. Is it the recipe on the back? No, it's just some information. Oh, no, it is the recipe. Instructions: spicy margarita cocktail recipe, suggested spirit, tequila, and mezcal. Hey, I got mezcal. Make 6 to 8 cocktails. Prep: combine the infusion mix with 16 ounces of spirit. Store: refrigerated for at least 3 days. All right, so we're gonna infuse this baby for at least 3 days and then follow the recipe or craft something uniquely. So I'm gonna follow their infusion process. I have my own margarita recipe, so I'll stick with mine. But that's cool, man. That is cool. There's all types of, margarita riffs, recipes out there. So let's open this bad boy up and we are going to see. We really don't need tools right now, at least for the infusion process, because we're just gonna do it all right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at all these little dried citrus pieces here. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. right, so we're gonna do about a ½ liter to infuse here. So I'm gonna take this bad boy here. You got your measurements right there. So we're gonna go straight, boom, right. Then we're just gonna take this whole pack and we're gonna stuff these bad boys, break them up just to make them fit right down in there. Yeah. Stuff it. Stuff it. This is kind of cool, man. I've never worked with dried. That's dried pineapple right there. You got dried limes in there. Looks like dried orange. You got dried pineapple. Let's see what else. See the sugar cubes here. Ah. Did I get it? Yes. All right. So we're gonna close that up. That's sealed. The top is sealed. I'm gonna give it a good shake. Right? Shake that up nice. And there it is, our little crew barware, spicy margarita, infused mezcal. So I'm gonna do what they said. I'm gonna store this in the fridge for 3 days. I'll come back and we'll make a little spicy mezcal margarita. Give it a shot, see what it's all about. Yeah, so cool. Crew barware, chilling with Happiness Bar. I'll see you guys in 3 days for the rest of this little spicy margarita infusion. All right, it has been 3 days on our crew infusion here, the spicy margarita, and we're doing it with the mezcal. You could see the color difference in the mezcal itself. It looks great. I'm gonna give it a sniff. Smells great. Smells like mezcal, a little bit of spice and fruit and citrus going on in there. I'm gonna grab a glass because you know what I wanna do before we go jumping in and making this little spicy mezcal margarita. I just wanna give it a taste. I just wanna taste it on its own. See what the product is in its purest form. Very nice. Still gets the smokiness of the mezcal. It doesn't like cover up the mezcal by any means. You get that rininess, that real rininess from all the fruit, touch of spice on it, just like a very, very subtle hint. I think it's more spicy in the fact that like it's all like the rininess and citrusy versus like spicy, like hot. Like it's not gonna be like spicy hot, it doesn't seem, but super tasty. Also, disclaimer, I love spicy shit, man. I love spicy food. Whenever I get wings, I get the hottest possible buffalo wing I can find. It's hard to find a hot sauce that has stumped me yet. I've even tried the freaking, what's it called? It's on that show, Hot Ones. The bomb. I've had that. It was hot, don't get me wrong. That was really fucking hot. But I still liked it and I ate it. Got a level of spice to it. So, I think I'm gonna strain this out through a strainer to get all those little chunky bits out. Grabbing a large container, grabbing this bad boy, little strainer boy. There we go. I'm gonna plug this up because we're just gonna do this the quick and easy way. Ready? Unscrew the bottom of the bottle. So sick, makes it so easy. And then we can just pour it all back out right into your strainer. All right, the bottle is rinsed. Let's open this bad boy up. No need for a funnel, which is awesome. And we're just gonna pour our strained infused mezcal right back into the bottle, seal up the bottom. And there you have it, guys. Little crew infusion mix we did from the unboxing. I'm just gonna crank one of these mezcal margaritas out because I want to see how the product does in its final stages. So let me throw the pour spout on the bottle here. This is going to be a shaken cocktail. So first things first, we are going to need our shaker tin. Next, we're gonna need our jigger. And we're gonna need our glassware. Starting from cheapest to most expensive ingredients, I went ahead and juiced some lime. I went ahead and made some Demerara syrup. This is basically gonna be the same build as my traditional margarita recipe, except we're using the Crew Infused Mezcal. And instead of like an orange Curacao, I decided I'm gonna switch this out for a Meletti Amaro, just to bring in a little bit of bitterness, to add to all like those piney, citrusy notes we're getting. So we're gonna try something here. We'll see how it works. So first things first, again, cheapest ingredients, most expensive. We'll go 3/4 ounce of our lime juice, our fresh lime juice. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce of our Demerara syrup. Now guys, if you need a refresher on making Demerara syrup or juice and citrus or anything, check out the Bar Essentials playlist. I got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Demerara, juice and citrus, simple syrup, ginger syrup, honey syrup, orgeat, all that kind of fun stuff. 1/2 ounce of our Meletti Amaro. Bang. And we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of that Crew infused spicy mezcal. 1.5 ounces. Grab the large side of your shaker tin. Let's grab some ice. Ice that shaker tin all the way to the top. And let's go ahead and ice our glassware. Seal this bad boy up. Shaking for 12 seconds as always. Seconds, crack that container, grab your Hawthorne strainer and your basket strainer, and double strain that cocktail. And lastly, for a garnish, you can use a fresh lime wedge, a lime wheel. I'm gonna do a little dehydrated lime that I have here, and we're just gonna try to make it nice and pretty and just clip it right to the side of the glass. It's such a little pretty cocktail, baby. There it is, the Crew infusion on that spicy Mezcal Margarita. We're gonna see how it goes here, guys. Let's go ahead and taste. I'm just gonna drop this bad boy, dunk it down in there like an Oreo, like a little cookie. Smells great. You get the mezcal on the nose. You get a little bit of that lime from the dehydrated lime. Yeah, really nice. Great little margarita riff. Got a little, you get real rininess from all those citrus, those dried citrus pieces we had in the infusion. The Meletti brings in a bitterness. This is almost like, man, it's kind of like a little twist between a margarita to me, and then it gets those bitter notes, so you get a little like Negroni-esque kind of note in there, a more citrusy shaken type cocktail, but it's bitter, kind of like the Negroni, which is nice. I don't know, that Meletti Amaro would be nice. You can go back to the Curacao if you don't like it, but I dig it. Perfect level of sweetness, not too sweet. That lime comes through. That's what you always want in a margarita. There it is, guys. Little Mezcal Margarita, messing with that Crew Infusion. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to check out more of this Crew stuff, you know, we're working with them, we're affiliating with them. If you want some of these infusion bottles or some of these infusion mixes or whatever, check it out, man. Go to my link tree, click that Crew link I have, and you can go on there, get yourself some infusion bottles, get some Crew infusion mixes, all that kind of stuff for quick, simple infusions on the weekend. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, say for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. And become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.